How to take my warehouse to the next level. Take your warehouse to the next level. I will have 3 points to share here. First, look at the peak performance. Then, break your own records. We believe that when your business is trying to break records is when your operations should perform the best. So, how to make operations break your own records? It is automated workflow. Train extra staff with knowledge and having a dashboard in your warehouse to enable you to identify issues before anything impact your warehouse or your service level. Number 2 is to control your warehouse, right? Make it easy for everyone. How? Start by implementing a software that is logical and you can take control when the data are shown in front of you. Make it so easy for you to address and control. As your business grows, you need to be adaptable to changes. So it can be adding a new dashboard in your warehouse, adding a alert notifications before anything happens, so that everyone is well informed, adding a new locations or moving to your new warehouse and so on. So make it easy for everyone, your staff, your clients, and yourself. Third point is warehouse should go faster. As you know, speed is everything. Stay ahead of receiving goods more quickly and keep improving how you store things and use your warehouse space. So with the use of intelligent technology or computer system in place to help you plan the warehouse. For example, your pick routing, your pick efficiency, where to put away, where to pick, and how's the system alert you, your bin locations, all the WMS strategies to help you to receive fast, pick fast, and ship more order each day. So ask me how and ask me now.